everyone, I'm collecting questions for an upcoming Q&A video, so please leave your questions for me down in the comments below. You can ask as many questions as you would like. They don't have to be planner related, and I'll try to answer as many questions as I can. In the past, we have discussed functional planning, planner piece, time management, how to organize planner supplies, what sorts of books I recommend, and many other topics. I wanted to also thank you for your continued support of this channel. I really appreciate it when you take the time to watch the videos and leave comments and share the videos with others. You keep this channel going and I really appreciate your support. If you would like to sign up for my mailing list so you can receive an email each time I post a new video, I'm going to leave the link for that in the description down below. 24% of you who participated in the most recent poll said that my emails are getting sent to your spam folder. If you think that this is happening to you too and you would like to change that, search for Lauren Adkins or Personalize My Planner in your spam folder. Click on the email and then select Report Not Spam if you have a Gmail account. And I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!